Today we are playing a game as Friday fun activity, and the game is here are some chits with our employee's name. You want to take one chit, and the chit will be having one employee name. You want to draw that employee on your notebook. Others want to identify that person.
Don't show your chit to anyone, otherwise they will get to know.
Guys, the time is up. We are going to reveal the persons that all are getting. First, we can call Harichetan to reveal the person. Sayan.
Hey, who's this?
Sandeep.
Abhijit.
Yes, Abhijit. Here is that. Kadikan in his ear. Alla, adu body no, only head. Oh, Adarsh. Hey, wait. Hariharan. Jitin.
Just zoom in.
എടാ ഇച്ചിരി കൊണ്ട് നീക്കി പിടിച്ചടാ.
Akila. Parvati. Just make Parvati photo and that. Please don't remove it.
ആ കൃഷ്ണപ്രിയ എടുക്ക. ദിൽന. ആ ഇത് ദിൽന.
What happened to his teeth? Who's this?
ബിജിൽ.
അഖില
ഞാനാണോ എന്നൊക്കെ വന്നിട്ട് നോക്കുക. അഖിലാണിക്ക് അഖില. അശ്വന്ത് എന്നറിയാൻ കണ്ണൂരിൽ നിയമിച്ചിട്ടില്ലേ? കണ്ണൂർ.
This is Ashwant? Yes. Why is he standing like this?
ജസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് കോലം ഇൻ പാടം. ആ ഇനി നീതുവിന്റെ സന്ദീപ്. This is Drisha. കണ്ണന.